Very good day to everybody. Today we will discuss one of the very important topic, that is the solution of differential equation. So in the last different videos we have already discussed about the differential equation and formulation of differential equation, how to make the differential equation. In the formulation of differential equation we have so far discussed how to make differential equation out of given ordinary equation. Suppose here it is the one of the ordinary equation given, then how to make the ordinary equation, differential equation from ordinary equation. That is what making of differential equation. But today we will discuss about the solution of differential equation. So what is the meaning of solution of differential equation? Here solution of differential equation means, you look at what is the meaning of the solution of the differential equation. Solution of differential equation means the ordinary equation is obtained from the differential equation. The ordinary equation is obtained from the differential equation. So the process in which we get the ordinary equation from the differential equation, that is the what solution of differential equation. In product level, there are three major methods are there. One is the variable separation. Second one is the linear differential equation, that is the Bernoulli's equation, along with it linear equation, along with it what Bernoulli's equation. This is the special case of the what linear differential equation. Then homogeneous differential equation, and the special case is the reducible homogeneous equation. So here are the what three main topics, that is what the variable separation DS, and the linear differential equation, and the special case is the Bernoulli's equation, and the homogeneous differential equation, that is the reducible homogeneous equation is the special case. Okay, so now get one by one we will discuss about the variable separation. Okay, what is the variable separation in detail so now we will discuss about the few examples. Here are the few examples relating to the variable separation. So look at what is the process of variable separation. First look at how many variables are there. You count the variables. There are two type of variables. The first one is the y and second variable is t. There are two type of variables. In this case, you separate t and y. Y you take at the left side and t you take right side. Here dt is there, so it is what t. So you take this side. Here it is what 3t square plus 4t plus x square t, and dt here dy. And y and t are what completely separated. Y and t are completely separated. This process is known as what variable separation. VS means variable separation. So after separating the variable, then what process you will do? You look at, then you integrate both sides. Here integrate dy and integrate this value with respect to t and this with respect to y. And dy integration is y. And here the integration of 3t square equal to 3t cube by 3 and 4t square by 2 and sec square integration is 10t and constant, integral constant. And 2 will cut here, 2 and 3 will cut here, 3 cube 2t square plus 10t plus c. Y equal to, this is the one of the equation, ordinary equation, it carries what y and t. This is the ordinary equation. So this is the solution of this differential equation. Solution of this differential equation. Okay. So next one, here another problem. This is the one of the problem. This is the little important to you. So look at. So here dy by dt again. Here it is the sine inverse t. Sine inverse t e to the power sine inverse t by root over 1 minus t square. So here you apply what substitution method. Before substitution method, application of the substitution method, here you get separate the variable, then you get what y this side and dt you take this side. Then here it is what sine inverse t e to the power sine inverse t by root over 1 minus t square dt. Dt you take this side. This is the variable separation. Okay, variable are separated. Y are taken that side and the t are taken right hand side. So here you look at, here you have to apply what substitution method of integration. Substitution method, why we apply what substitution method? Look at here, instead of what sine inverse t, you what take x, another variable you take let sin inverse t equal to x, then its derivative 1 by root over 1 minus t square dt equal to x, derivative is dx. Then you put these values. So instead of what dy you write dy, sin inverse t you write what x, e to the power this one x, and dt by root over 1 minus x square you take what dx, you write what dx. So it reduced to x e to the power x dx. Then you will look at here taking both side integration. Integration of dy is equal to integration of x e to the power x. Okay. So dy integration y we directly find, but here how to find the integration? In this case, the integration is obtained by the product method. You know, this is the u to v method. Okay. By application of pilot, you put what x equal to constant and find the integration of e to the power x dx minus the first function, derivative of the first function, and integration of the second function dx. This is the formula, you know, that is by parts method. This is the by parts method. X e to the power x integration e to the power x. Here e to the power x integration e to the power x, but derivative of x equal to 1. So I have not written here. E to the power x is there. Again we find integration. Here integration e to the power x equal to e to the power x. So the complete solution is y equal to x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. This is the solution of this second problem. Okay. This also, you know, this is the ordinary equation. Which one? Given what the first one is the differential equation, but the coming answer is what? Ordinary differential equation. What you get? Here in these two problem, we separate what? We take dt that side. But in this problem, what to do? First here look at dy equal to 1 plus 1 plus dy plus 1 plus y square dx equal to 0. Here it is the one of the equation given. So first of all you take 1 plus y square dx to right hand side. We will get what dy equal to minus 1 plus y square dx. So here at the left hand side y is there. Here also right hand side y is there. So y you take this side. Then here it will be what? dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx is there. No x, another x places are there. So you separate completely y this side and x that side. Now integrate both sides, then you get what? Integration of dy by 1 plus y square equal to integration of dx, minus is there. So you put what? X. This is the variable separation process. Then integration. You know, this is the what? Formula for tan inverse y, and this my dx equal to x minus is there, and integral constant. So x plus tan inverse y equal to c. Okay. So sometime what happens? X and y both are separated. Here in this case what? The left hand side are separated to the first, look at first example and second example, we separated what? Left hand side to right hand side. But in the third example, what happens in the third example? The right hand side values are taken to or separated to left hand side. But in some cases what happens? We separate both LHS and RHS both side. Okay. Let's see one of the example by using that format. So now we will discuss about these two problems. So here we look at both left hand side values and right hand side values, both are interchanged. Means left hand side are taken to right hand side and some values of left hand side are also taken to right hand side. So in this case what happens? They are said to be what? Double separation. Okay, double separation. So in the first problem we look at how do we solve this problem. E to the power 2x plus 3y means you can also write what? E to the power 2x into e to the power 3y. So you look at y dy is there means you have to take what? Y this side, and x is there means dx you take right hand side. In this way I separated what? The variable, ds variable separated. So e to the power 3y I have taken to right hand side, and ds I have taken to left e to the power 3y I have taken to left hand side, and dx I have taken to right hand side. In this way there is what? Double separation. So after what? Separating the variable, e to the power minus 3y means you can also write what e to the power minus 3y. E to the power 3y means e to the power minus 3y. E to the power 2x. Then integrate both sides. So here integration is e to the power minus 3y is e to the power minus 3y. Again you find the derivative of what here? Minus 3y, that is minus 3. Here e to the power 2x. Integration is e to the power 2x and derivative of 2x equal to 2 plus c constant. So you take this side, all you take that side, then here it is the equation. This is the one of the what differential equation. And also you look at here also, this problem is also important problem. So how to solve, how to separate the variable? First of all, you keep left hand side to this value, y root over x cube plus 1 dy, and this value you take right hand side, here it will be minus x square root over y square plus 3 dx. Now you separate the variable. So the variable are separated. Y dy you put here, and this y square plus 3 root over you take this side. Here all are y, and here x square dx you put here, and root over x cube plus 1 you take this side, means right hand side. So all the variable x and y are separated completely. Here this side remains what y, and right hand side x, means the complete variable separation is there. So again you will get, before integrating, just I change something. So what type of change you look at? Here 1 by 2, how it came 1 by 2 I will tell you. Here it integration this side equal to integration this side. Then integrating both sides, then little change is there. So instead of y square plus 3, instead of root over y square plus 3, root over y square plus 3 means 1 by 2, power 1 by 2. If you take at the numerator, it become minus 1 by 2, power minus 1 by 2. Here also, root over x cube plus 1 means if you take at numerator, then it will be x cube plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 2. So another one format you look at. Here f of x, its derivative y square plus 3 derivative is 2y, but here y is there. So how do you get 2y? I multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Here I multiplied by 2 and divided by 2. Why I did this? Because you look at here the derivative of what y square plus 3 equal to 2y. That's why for keeping it what 2y derivative, just I what multiplied 2 and divided by 2. Here also you look at here the derivative of x cube plus 1 is what 3x square, but x square is given. So I multiplied 3 and divided by 3. Then what happens? If its derivative is given at the side, then its integration equal to y square plus 3, power is what? N plus 1 by n plus 1. You leave it, this derivative part you leave it. Here is the formula. In integration part you have also read y square plus 3 to the power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. F of x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, here also minus 1 by 3 is there already. Here derivative part you leave it. Here it is what? X cube plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means plus 1 by 2, this plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 cot. Here it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 when you take at the numerator it will be 2 by 1. So 2 by 1, 1 by 2 reciprocalized and you will get what 2 by 1. Here it is what minus 2 by 3. X square plus 1 to the power 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means root over. Here also 1 by 2 means root over. So these are the some few problems relating to the what? Variable separation. So variable separation is also applied for the what? Some problem just like as some boundary values are given, we have to find the so you look at some boundary values problem we will discuss, one or two boundary value problem we will discuss. So here it is what given particular solution of the differential equation. So what is the particular solution of the differential equation? Particular solution means in differential equation we have a constant, that is the integral constant, c is the integral constant. But if we find the value of c, numerically if we find the value of c, so that is said to be what? Particular solution. So particular solution means the solution of the differential equation that contain the numerical value instead of what constant. A definite constant is there. A definite constant instead of c we find the definite constant. That is what particular solution. Here is the problem. We look at the conditions. These conditions are given what boundary value solution. Boundary value conditions. Y equal to 2, x equal to 0. These are the boundary of x and y. So later we will discuss what is the use of these boundary values. First of all, we separate the what variable. dy by dx equal to cos x means here the variable separation. By using variable separation, you take what dx that side. Here it is dy equal to cos x dx. Here dy equal to cos x dx, you know. Then integrating both sides, then we will get what dy integration and cos x dx. dy integration y cos x integration sin x plus c. Equation number 1. In this is the general equation of the what general equation of the or general solution of the what differential equation. If you have to ask the find the general solution means you put it in c in the form of c, a or any constant. Okay. But what is the use of this boundary value? Now you take x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. From this equation where there is x and y, you put what x equal to 0 and y equal to 2. Here it is the y you put 0, 2 and x equal to 0 you put. So we will get what 2 equal to sin 0 plus c. You know sin 0 value equal to 0, c equal to c, here 2 equal to 2. So what is the value of c? C equal to 2. C value 2 came. So putting 2 in equation 1. In equation 1 where there is c, you put what 2. So after putting 2 in equation 1, we have the particular solution. PS means particular solution. That is what y equal to sin x plus c equal to 2. So x and y you write. In equation x and y write. But finally the c is replaced by some constant. Known constant. Okay. Here also the second problem you look at directly. Here the variable separated. 1 plus y square you take this side and dx you take this side. By variable separation dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx by 1 plus x square. Here it is the variable separated. Integrating both sides, here dy by 1 plus y square is equal to dx by 1 plus x square. Here this is the formula, you know, this is what tan inverse y and this is the formula for the tan inverse x. Okay. Here the boundary values here given y equal to root 3 and x equal to 1. In the equation 1 you put what x and y, instead of x and y you put what 1 and root 3. Here it is tan inverse root 3 equal to tan inverse 1 plus c equal to that. So tan inverse root 3 means at what angle tan is what root 3, that is pi by 3 means 60 degree. So tan inverse root 3 equal to 60 degree, tan inverse 1 means 45 degree plus c. So c equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 4, then we get what? After finding LCM, then we get c equal to pi by 12. So c we got already c value. We put what c value in equation 1 instead of we will get what tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus pi by 12. This is the answer. And this solution is known as what particular solution. Okay. So in this way so here it is the solution for the second order derivative by using what variable separation. Suppose here it is the second order differential equation is given, then how to find the solution by using variable separation. Here is the formula. You integrate, here it is written, twice integrating the second order, then we get the solution. Suppose here it is what d square y by dx square equal to 12x square plus 2x is the one of the what differential equation is given. Then it is what second order differential equation. So you integrate twice to get the solution. For the second order differential equation, we have to integrate twice, then we will get the solution. First we will get what to do. Here d square y by dx square equal to it is given. Then here you take dx and dx, both sides with respect to x you find the integration. So d square y by dx square with respect to x integration. 12x square plus 2x with respect to x integration. When we integrate d square y by dx square with respect to x, then we get what dy by dx. Remember this one? Very important. When d square y by dx square is integrated with respect to x, then we get what dy by dx. So here integrating 12x square means 12x cube by 3 and 2x square by 2. Here after cancelling, then we get what 4x cube plus x square plus cy. So after that, you separate the variable. Bs means variable separation. Dx you take that side and multiply. Then you get what 4x cube plus x square plus u1 dx is equal to dy. Here variable separation process is applied here. Variable separation. Then again integrate both sides. Here the first time integrated. This is the second time integration. Again dy equal to 4x cube plus integration of 4x cube plus x square plus c1 dx. So dy integration equal to y. Here integration of 4x cube equal to 4x fourth by 4 x cube by 3 c1 dx means c1x plus c2. Remember there are two constants used in this case. Very important. You have to note how many constants are used. There are two constants used in case of the what second order solution of the second order differential equation. Okay, so this is, later we will discuss more videos in relating to the differential equation. If you like my video, then you share it and like it. Thanks to watching my video. What